At Flor y Amor we have 4 different body oils. Each has been designed with a different purpose in mind. So one's very relaxing, another more revitalizing. First, why would you use a body oil? Well, body oils are amazing to giving the skin hydration and moisture. So after showering, after a bath, perfect way to add that nutrition back into your skin, to hydrate and to give you that wonderful healthy glow. They're also amazing as massage oils, especially when you can tailor make your massage. So if your muscles are moaning, you want the reinvigorating one. If you're really stressed out, you want the relaxing one. So there's a lot of different uses for them. But at the moment, we'll talk about the base. Now, they've all got the same base carrier oils. They've got sweet almond oil, which is very high in vitamin E and creates a really protective layer on the skin, really helping to reinforce that barrier protection. We've also got coconut oil, which is very antimicrobial, really helpful with the hydration, with the nutrition of the skin. Hemp seed oil is very, very anti-inflammatory. That's really going to help with skin disorders, things like eczema, psoriasis. It's also very good at helping prevent cellular damage. And finally, we've got avocado oil. Avocado oil is high in vitamins E, A and B. It's really regenerative, really adds that extra nutrition into your skin. And it's also very helpful for age spots. So those are the carrier oils. We've also got calendula extract in all of our body oils, in fact in all of our oils. Now calendula is an amazing little yellow-orange flower. It grows throughout Europe and has been used since the 12th century, if not before, for healing. Topically, it's incredibly anti-inflammatory, very calming for the skin. And any scrapes, cuts, burns, things like that, it's going to help speed up the healing. It's also been used for things like alleviating fevers and eye health as well. So that is the base of our Flor y Amor body oils. And as we know, it's all about the base. Our Flor y Amor reinvigorating body oil with lavandin, rosemary and tea tree is the perfect one to use at the beginning of the day. If you've got a super busy day where you know you're going to be stressed out, you've got loads of meetings, you've got exams, you've got lots to achieve, this is really going to help you. It's got lavandin essential oil in, which is really cool because it's a hybrid between lavender and spike lavender. So it has all those amazing healing properties that lavender does. So it's very skin healing, it's very calming for skin imperfections or blemishes or even things like cuts and scrapes and burns. But it doesn't have the sleepy effect, so it's not going to send you to sleep. It's got rosemary, and rosemary is amazing to help you concentrate and really, really focus on the task in hand. It's also great for muscle aches. So if you've just been to the gym and your muscles are complaining, this one is going to help you as well. It's really good also for swelling and general aches and pains. And it's also got tea tree in it. It's really refreshing. It's very, very antiseptic and again, very good for aches and pains and general healing, cuts, scrapes, all things like that. So if you want to be able to focus, I mean, a trick that I love or something that I do, I have a small sample bottle of this body oil on my desk, and about 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon when your shoulders are starting to get a bit tight and you need a bit of help to get through the last few hours of the day, just rub a little bit on your shoulders, on your neck, smell it, so that then you can really get that focus back for those last few hours. Hope you love it.
Flor y Amor.